What's going on, guys? So check this out. I've been fishing my whole life for 20 plus years in Florida, and I've actually never ever caught a redfish. So my uncle has access to this kind of isolated island here on the west coast of Florida, and we went out there to try to check that box for me and catch a redfish for the first time. And maybe, just maybe, in this beautiful setting, it can actually happen. We'll see. Okay, so we'll see if this is a little fishing hole here. I'm anticipating having to deal with some mangroves or something like that, but see if we get bit here. Wasn't quite the cast I wanted, but I'm gonna reel it in. It's not where I want my shrimp. I want it out towards those pilings right there. Sort of there. That's a little better. Oh, there we go. Fish on. And tighten down. I think we got a fish. Fish out! And it's a catfish. Crap. You son of a gun. I don't like you guys. Whoa, 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 whoa. I don't like you guys. Don't you know that? I feel like my shrimp might be too small. Ooh, there we go. Ooh.
There you go.
Oh gosh.
Look at that.
Do I have him?
Yeah.
I think it's a catfish. Oh. That's fighting pretty good.
Yeah.
Come here. That might be a red dog. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Come here, come here, come on. Come on, what are you?
A ladyfish?
Whoa, what is that?
I think it's a ladyfish. No, it's a cat.
Oh my god, oh, like a sail cat? Yeah. That's why he was fighting so good. That's a pretty big catfish.
Yeah.
Stinking sail cat. It's honestly, they're pretty cool looking fish.
Yeah, they are.
And they fight really nice,
Yeah.
but wow. Look at this. Holy cow. That's a flounder. Wow. Wow. I have never caught a flounder before in my life. He looks like he may have swallowed it. Holy cow, that's insane. Okay. So I'm switching to using live shrimp on a bobber after catching a flounder on artificial on a DOA shrimp, and oh goodness gracious, my bobber just went under. So let's see if the fish is there, and he is. Oh, that's a good fish. Got a good fish on. Real good fish on. Real good fish on. Might be a catfish. Don't be a catfish. Oh, don't tell me he got hung up. Oh, he's there. Okay. It's a red! It's a redfish! I got him on the shrimp. Thank you. All right, this is sketchy. I don't think so. I think I got him. Oh, he's beautiful. Spots and all that. I think I can swing him. Come here. Come here. Woo! Yes! Yes! Yes, yes, yes. Oh, yes, my first ever redfish, man. Yeah. Yeah, he's probably 20 inches. There we go, my first ever redfish. My PB red, my everything. I'm shaking a little bit because of how much adrenaline that is, but first ever red. Oh, that's so cool, man. Hopefully I can get a good, video of him, but there you go. Gonna release him, see if he swims off nice. Hopefully he will. And he did. Yeah, he swam off. First ever redfish. Couldn't be more pumped about that. Could not be more happy about that. That is so, so cool. And it took like 2 seconds for that fish to eat. Okay, so unfortunately after that redfish, I didn't catch any more fish, no more bites, but obviously I'm not complaining. It was my first redfish. I was super pumped. And I know it's crazy that I've lived in Florida my whole life and I've fished my whole life and I've never caught a redfish, but I live on the East Coast, so they're not quite as accessible over here. And that was a little trip to the West Coast that produced my first redfish, so that was incredible and I was super happy. But yeah, this is my first ever fishing YouTube video and hopefully it's the first of many, and I have some plans to make some like flats fishing videos and stuff like that, so I'm super pumped for that. But yeah, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was somewhat entertaining. So yeah, I'll see you next time.